they forsook the temple of the Lord, the God of their fathers, and began to serve the sacred groves and the idols. And because of this harm of theirs, wrath come on Judah and Jerusalem. Although prophets were sent to them to convert them to the Lord, the people would not listen to their warnings. Then the Spirit of God possessed Zechariah, son of Jehoiada the priest. He took his stand above the people and said to them, God says, why are you transgressing the Lord's commands, so that you do not prosper? Because you have abandoned the Lord, he has abandoned you. But they conspired against him, and at the king's order, they stoned him to death in the court of the Lord's temple. Thus, King Joash was reminded of the devotion shown him by his Lord. Zechariah's brother pursued his son. And as Zechariah was dying, he said, may the Lord see and avenge. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Responsorial Psalm. Into your hands, O Lord, I commend my spirit. Into your hands, O Lord, I commend myself. Be my rock of refuge, a stronghold to which I safety. You are my rock and my fortress. For your name's sake, you will lead me by me. Into your hands, O Lord,